go, guys. Woo! We are getting close. 1.5 days, give or take a couple hours, depending on where you are in the world, until February 14th, 2020, the day of the Voice beta launch. There is some recent news out of Voice, and that is now in the updates section down here. I'll leave a link to this EOS Newswire 1 EOS Voice countdown page in the description below. This news is from February 10th, 2020. Voice beta to roll out first in the USA, followed by a steady rollout to English-speaking territories, then globally. So if we check out the voice.com blog post from February 10th, beta to start in the USA. So those in the USA are getting access to Voice beta first, followed by a steady rollout to English-speaking territories, then globally. The Voice team says it's because we are on a mission to rebuild public trust in media, and nowhere have we seen the trust fall further in recent years than in the USA. Another reason they're starting beta in the US, it's about real-time technical testing and iteration within one defined location, which simply means that those using Voice for the first time can make and send suggestions, all while our team based in the United States can respond and carry out the tweaks needed to be made. Now, of course, this is a beta launch, so it's not a final product, and that's why I agree with them pretty much creating their own testnet to launch Voice on. It gives them complete control to be able to make changes. The post goes on to say, as we optimize in the United States, we will continue a steady rollout to English-speaking territories, then globally, collaborating with local regulators as we go and updating you with the details on which territories as we go. So at this point, there's no real timetable as to when people outside the USA are going to be able to get in. But if you're in the USA and you signed up for the Voice beta, we're just a couple days away. Followed next by other English-speaking territories, and then globally. So again, I'll leave the link to the EOS Newswire 1 Voice countdown page in the description below. That's going to do it for this quick update, guys. If you did not watch yesterday's video on blockchain governance, I suggest you go check it out. Telos is charging forward with 3rd generation blockchain governance. Check out the link in the description to this page and visit the recently updated governance section, where you can read up on some of the highlights from yesterday's video, as well as there is a link here to the article from yesterday's video. And while you're at it, if you have not picked up your free Telos account yet, visit the free Telos account page, where you can get your free Telos account with desktop, mobile, or using the Telegram bot. This message on Telos is brought to you with the support of the Telos community via the worker proposal system. That's going to do it for me for this one, guys. I'll see you in the next one.